So you're ready to get started with affiliate marketing. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 tips to help you choose affiliate products to promote. What's up everyone, I'm Jeff, co-founder of TheFigCo. We're here to help you grow your business online. If you want to see more videos like this one, I'd encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Affiliate marketing is a great way for you as a content creator to make money online. One of the very first steps before you can start making money as an affiliate though, is identifying the programs you want to be a part of, applying to them, getting accepted, and then you can start using your affiliate links and promoting them on your website, social media, and YouTube channel. All right, let's get into the 7 tips. Tip number 1, create some content on your website before you apply to any affiliate programs. And yes, the website is probably the most important place. And so even if you have a YouTube channel or social media following, I recommend having a website, having probably 5 or 10 articles up on there before you start applying to different affiliate programs. The reason is that's the main channel they're gonna look at first, and then they're gonna look at your social media following. And if you don't have any content on your website, they don't have any examples of your work or what type of content you're gonna be creating, chances are you won't get it accepted into the programs. But if you have great examples of articles that you've written up on your website already, you're much more likely to get accepted. Some affiliate programs may only accept 10 or 20% of the people that apply. And so make sure you put your best foot forward, get some content up there, and get accepted to the programs you want to be part of. Tip number 2, make a list of products and services that you currently use related to your niche. And this will help you in a couple of ways. 1, it's much easier to promote something that you're familiar with, that you've used for a long time. Also, as you're applying to programs and they ask you, how did you hear about us, or any other questions, you'll have a story to tell there of, hey, I've been using your product and service for 10 years. I'm a huge fan. I'd love to promote it to my audience, versus I just found out about this yesterday. And so if you think about something like digital marketing and what we talk about on our channel, you could think about things like video editing software, camera equipment, email marketing software, buying a domain, website services, things like that that we could talk about on our channel are things that we have to use every single day in our business. We talk to our clients about. That's a very easy thing for us to promote on our channel. If your content was related to cooking, you could make a list of all the equipment you use, your favorite cookbooks, food delivery services such as HelloFresh or Blue Apron. All of those things will have affiliate marketing programs. Once you've made this list, I would start putting in each one individually into Google. So say HelloFresh affiliate program, for example. And yes, they do have an affiliate program. And you can go through one by one from everything from your list and figure out if they have an affiliate program or not. So you know what are the things you're already using today that you could be promoting on your website. Tip number 3, sign up for Skimlinks or Sovereign, which used to be called VigLink. And with these 2 services, you sign up, add some code to your website, and it automatically turns links on your website into affiliate links. And so products and services that you link to in your content will automatically be turned into affiliate links for you. The thing is, these services do charge a commission for their service, but it gives you access to thousands of affiliates immediately instead of applying to each one individually. And so this can be a great way to get started, where you focus on putting out content, having affiliate links done for you automatically, and as you grow, figure out which affiliates you talk about more often in your content. You can then go and apply to those programs individually. Tip number 4, sign up for Amazon Associates. And so Amazon's affiliate program is probably one of the largest in the world. And the reason it's great for you as an affiliate is, what can't you buy on Amazon? And so no matter your niche, there's products on Amazon that you could be recommending. And so think about our channel. We could be recommending video equipment, our favorite marketing books. There's a bunch of things that we could talk about. And the other really powerful thing is, if you send someone to Amazon with one of your links, anything that they buy on Amazon in the next 24 hours, you make a commission on. And so let's say we sent someone to Amazon because of our recommendation on the best marketing books, and then they end up deciding they want a TV. We'll also make a commission on that TV purchase. And so definitely sign up for Amazon's affiliate program. There's for sure things that you could be talking about in your content that can be purchased on Amazon. Tip number 5, create accounts with the affiliate networks ahead of time. So what you might have noticed from your research from tip number 2, some businesses will manage their own affiliate program on their website. Well, I would say the majority are run through some type of affiliate network. And so what happens is you need to be accepted, 1, into the affiliate network, and then 2, accepted to the specific program. So as you're creating content, want to get it up, want to use your affiliate links, it's better to be set up and ready to go with the affiliate network and then apply to the specific program. And so what I would say is apply to CJ, Associate, Impact, Share a Sale, Rakuten, and AvantLink. Those are the 5 major affiliate networks. If you're already approved there, it makes it quicker to apply to specific affiliate programs, get approved, and start using your links. Tip number 6, find apps or software in your niche to recommend to your audience. So the thing is here, you want to think about what are the most profitable, expensive things in your niche that you could be talking about. So if something is not very expensive and not very profitable, so a lot of physical products have lower margins. If there's not a lot of profit from selling the product, that means they can't pay you a high commission. There's just not enough profit to go around. But if you think of something like a software or an app, there's not a high cost to offering that service to one more person, which means they have a lot of margin that they can pay you as a commission. And so apps and software are something that can have very high commissions for affiliates. Plus a lot of them, if there's a monthly fee associated with it, they will pay you a % of sales every single month as long as that person remains a client. So you could get a 30% commission every single month from now to 5 years from now if that person continues to be a customer. Tip number 7, find digital products to recommend as an affiliate. And so one example of a digital product could be an online course. The reason why this is so great for you as an affiliate is someone creates an online course and there's essentially no extra cost to offering that course to one new person. And so what that means for you is really high affiliate commissions. And for us, for example, we've paid for courses that are from $500 to $1,000. And so imagine getting 50% commission on a $1,000 course. So that's $500. Every time someone uses your link and purchases that course, you make $500. That's a lot of money for making one recommendation. And online courses are a great way to solve people's problems, and they're willing to pay a high price for an expert to help them with that problem. Those are our 7 tips to help you find affiliate products to promote to your audience. If you want us to do other videos related to affiliate marketing, write affiliate marketing down below in the comment section, and we'll gladly do other videos on the topic. Also, if you have any other questions or comments or need anything from us, leave that down below in the comment section as well so we can respond to you there. If you liked the video, smash that like button. It helps our channel grow. If you haven't done so yet, don't forget to subscribe so you're notified when we put out new content. And if you want to watch other related videos right now, there's a couple along the side here. Until next time, bye-bye.